ready.
Okay? It's double bubble. Can I get a double bubble?
Double bubble!
Double bubble!
Double bubble!
Alright, so listen. So this week, we're going to finish off strong. We're going to finish off the strongest we ever finished off. The strongest we ever, you hear what I'm saying? The strongest we ever finished off. I don't want no breaks. Can we say no breaks?
No breaks!
No breaks!
No breaks!
Get that safe!
Get it!
So listen, hear me out. So it's going to rain. It's going to rain. So what I need us to do is take advantage of that. When you're taking advantage of the rain, I need y'all to get inside these houses. With me say, so we get a higher chance of getting the cells. Get inside these houses so we can stay dry and keep our momentum high. Okay? We want to keep our momentum high. We say high momentum.
High momentum!
High momentum.
High momentum!
Everybody, I really appreciate y'all for being here. We want to go out here. We want to do what we have to do to be successful. Because we the best. Also, we can clap it up for us. We the best. So, this week is obviously, as everybody knows, it's double commission, okay? So we got the double commission. We got the double bubble. And now you're in trouble. Okay? I'm going to go out here, and I suggest all y'all follow in my footsteps. I'm going to try to go out here and get this double base. You feel me? I want that double commission, that double base, and that double bubble because you're in trouble. Can we say you in trouble?
You in trouble!
Double bubble!
Double bubble!
Go out here and get that. I want y'all to look to your left and right and tell those people that you can do it. I believe in you. Come on, you can do it.
You can do it, I believe in you. 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 You can do it, I believe in you.
You have a suggestion?
Are pillars of something great. Demetrius Brown, our wonderful manager, has put us in this Philadelphia office. Vicky, clap it up for Vicky! We all blessed. So we're gonna make some money, man. We're gonna make some money and take advantage of the day. Take advantage of the rain. Take advantage of the pain that you always been through. Get this money to pay off anything you gotta pay up. Because you know what you gotta do.
Juice.
Just go out here, do your job. It's okay to get quarter, but if you want a little more, get a little more. Get a little more. You out here, you working, baby. We working all day. Alright? So we just gonna go out here, we're gonna try our best, we're gonna be successful. As we always do, the best office for a reason.
Period.
We are the best office for a reason.
Period.
For a reason. And I'm just close out with this. I got a quote. It's this quote I've been sticking about for a long time. Alright? It says, life isn't about waiting in the storm. It's about dancing in the rain. So when we out there, we try to dance in the rain. Don't wait for that storm to pass. Don't wait for that storm to pass. Don't wait in that poppy store. Don't wait in that neighbor house. Go out there and dance. Go knock on that door. Go get the double bubble. Do what you want to say. We're just going to go out here. We're just going to dance in the rain, y'all. We're going to close it out. We at least need, what's our bid, Leach?
100.
100. We're going to get 100. We're going to close it out. We all just going to dance in the rain today. All right, can I get it one time? Dance